Well, typically in November, we really start to cool down, but we have not seen that. First 8 days here in November in Bowling Green, all 8 of them have been above average. Notice the lower 80s here last Sunday and Monday. My goodness gracious, that is ridiculously warm for November. Unfortunately, I think we're going to keep the above average temperatures here for the next several days. Really not cooling down until we get to Tuesday, where we'll be a little bit closer to average, but short-lived. We warm back up Wednesday before a stronger shot of cooler air gets in here by the end of next week. Notice just a little bit of moderate drought creeping into the picture here southwest of Bowling Green. We do need the rainfall. Everybody else is abnormally dry. That does not technically count as a drought, but you're right there. Thankfully, we are going to get some beneficial rains in here for our Sunday. We could see rain in here as early as this evening, but it should be very light, very scattered in nature. The atmosphere is so dry that a lot of what you're seeing here at first is going to evaporate before it hits the ground, what we call virga. But later on this evening, some of this could reach the ground as some light showers, but the real widespread heavy rainfall probably won't get in here until after dark and around or after midnight, when we start to see that rainfall overspreading the area, helped here in the overnight hours by some additional atmospheric dynamics that will aid in that rainfall really blossoming, and it hangs around as we get into our Sunday as well. You'll also notice the winds increasing as we go through the day as well, in that 15 to 25 mile an hour range here by this evening and tonight, and continuing to increase in the overnight hours. Could see some 35 mile an hour gusts as well. So a real wind driven rain as that rainfall falls, especially tonight and into tomorrow morning, and it remains breezy throughout our day on Sunday. So we'll see some showers developing, especially second half of the day into tonight. That rain continues for the most part into the overnight hours. Highs across the tri-state, lower 60s, a few 70-degree readings as well. Very mild tonight, only into the lower 60s. We should be in the upper 30s for our low temperatures. And you look at the extended forecast, Veterans Day looks very nice right now, mid 60s. Tuesday also looking nice. Next front gets in here on Wednesday, a brief warm-up, maybe a couple of showers, then we cool down by late week.